When I see them, sometimes they feel like being around their parents. I told them that, look at me. If you think I'm the age of your mother, I'm your mother. If you think I'm the age of your grandmother, I'm your grandmother. If you see me of the age of your aunt, I'm your aunt. It is good that you feel free. God comes first, but God knows the reason why you survived from Ebola and why your parents did not survive from the Ebola. And then most often I always speak to them and tell them to feel like at home. I have a little girl here by the name of Marie. Oh, she don't go away from me except she want to sleep. Sometimes even when I'm eating, they come around, oh, we want to eat some of your food. I say, well, you can eat some. We all sit and play together. Yes. But when they came newly, it was not easy. They used to cry, but for now, they are getting used to it. Yes.